Let us handle a problem in this video. Find the vector joining A of 1, 1, 1 to B of 2, 4, 3. So we are given x, y and z coordinates. So let's consider a three-dimensional situation. The x, y and z axes are taken. O is the origin of reference. Consider 2 points A and B with coordinates A of 1, 1, 1 and B of 2, 4 and 3. Then the position vector of OA is given to be I vector plus j vector plus k vector, and OB is equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector plus 3k vector. Then AB vector is equal to AO vector plus OB vector. The clue is always start from A and end with B when you are asked AB. We can have any intermediate points in between. So A, B, start from A, end with B. So here the intermediate point is O. So it is AO plus OB by the triangle law of addition. So that is equal to, what is AO? AO is negative of OA. OB is as it is. So that is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 3k plus minus of OA. So in other words, we can remember it as AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. That is second vector minus first vector. This is also a clue to remember. So it is 2i plus 4j plus 3k minus of I plus j plus k. That is I vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector is the solution. Now what if we are asked to find the unit vector along this direction? What is the formula for unit vector? We know that if we are given a vector, then its unit vector is equal to the vector divided by its modulus. So here find the unit vector along AB, that is equal to I plus 3j plus 2k. So by formula we know that A cap is equal to A vector divided by the modulus of A vector. Thus, following the same lines, the unit vector of AB need to be found out. So, the unit vector along AB vector is equal to AB vector divided by modulus of AB vector. So, our AB vector is I vector plus 3j vector plus 2k vector divided by square root of 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square, which is the modulus of I plus 3j plus 2k. Root of 1 plus 9 plus 4. So that is equal to I plus 3j plus 2k divided by root of 14. So 1 by 14 times I plus 3j plus 2k is the unit vector along the direction of AB.